Hi there. Today. It's my fifth video of my COVID recovery. I wanted to show you something which I was surprised at. This is my peak flow meter. Normally, this doesn't form any use to me whatsoever because I can blow it right off the scale quite easily. I was used to doing 5K runs with no medical problems before. I'm going to show you what happens when I blow it now. Okay, so here we go. Okay, now I'm not sorry. I'm used to making car videos, not these videos on how to recover. So here we go. I'm gonna blow into it. 300. Let's try again. A double blow. 350. Let's try again. 300. Okay, so I'm making this video because I want to show you that you think you're actually quite good, you know, when you're talking away normally like this, but that really just puts it into black and white what's going on. The other thing I wanted to show you is this steam inhaler. So here it is. Okay, and I'm going to do a bit of steam inhalation. So just breathing in, and I'm sorry that it can't hear me very well. But steam inhalation just helps to open up the lungs a little bit. And it helps to get rid of the headaches that you might be having. If you've got sore muscles in the ribs, opening up the lungs reduces the need for the intercostal muscles to work so hard, and that helps with relaxing those muscles. How long do you need to do it for? I think 3 minutes or so is, I'll tell you this, 3 minutes or so is a good enough time. How often? Can I do it at least 4 or 5 times an hour? You'll notice that it just relieves things. With some of the steam inhalers, you can put chemicals in, such as essential oils. I don't think you should really be putting anything in there. Just use water to help to basically avoid any irritants going into your lungs. You don't want to irritate your lung tissue, which is already irritated. So you might notice afterwards that you do a little bit of coughing, because there'll be all this junk which is possibly building up in your lungs, which just is not great for you. So all I'm doing is having a breathe. I'm crunched over, so you can see my heart rate increase because I'm actually crunched over trying to do this video at the same time as inhaling. So give me a few seconds. Let me just breathe in, and I'll restart the video again shortly. So I've just steamed for about a minute and a half, and I'm going to take that another picture of me blowing this thing. So up to 450 on that one. 500 on that one. And again 450 on that one. So that gives you an indication of how the steam inhaler works. And I don't know if you can actually hear my voice sounds a little bit better. And that's almost like an instant hit. And this is great when you wake up in the middle of the night and you're actually struggling. Get the inhaler out, get it working for you.